What it do, back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue, about to do this hair do. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo. Boop. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a new beauty for you guys. Okay, this is a new curtain bang type of style that is out right now, and UNice definitely went ahead and jumped on the bandwagon. Now this unit actually came cut and layered like this. Y'all know UNice, right? Y'all know UNice. Okay, so this is one of their bye-bye knots. Now I did not glue it down just because it has the bangs. I feel like it's not needed to glue it down because of the bangs. You see what I'm saying? Like, what's the point in gluing it down if you already have the bangs to kind of, you know, help secure the situation right there? Now, if you're going out on a windy day, you might want to go ahead and glue it down, okay? As for me, I'm not really going anywhere right now, but if I did wear it outside, I think I would definitely, you know, glue it down. I absolutely love the layers on this. This is so pretty. This is a 7x5 bye-bye knots 24-inch layered bang type of unit. All the information is gonna pop up on the side right here. Y'all already know the drill. The hair, this is some high quality hair, y'all. I'm not even gonna hold you. This is some high quality. Look at the shine on this. Look at the shine, and it curled super easy. Now this is on the lighter side, meaning it's really silky, so you're gonna want to go in with your, you know, your mousse and your setting spray and all of that to hold the curl, but it does hold a curl and curls very easy. It is so airy, I can't stop touching it. I'm just messing it up as I talk. Oh my it is so pretty. It is so pretty. Silky smooth. This is a silky smooth straight type of texture. She is absolutely stunning. Now, like I said, it actually came cut like this, so it has that bang, that feathery bang type of style. Y'all, I know y'all guys see it, okay? So they're helping you out because maybe you can't go to the salon and get that layered cut. You see what I'm saying? Especially if you're like me. If it's one thing I miss, I say it all the time, but if it's one thing I miss about back home, is being able to go to my guy, okay, Sydney, I miss you. If you ever see this video, listen, being able to go to the hairdresser and getting your hair done, whether it's whatever it is, okay, is a blessing. But right now, for the girlies that love to do it for themselves, I had to learn to do a lot of things for myself. So for the girlies that are like me and doing it themselves, this is right up our alley. Okay, this is so pretty, super easy. This is definitely beginner friendly, absolutely stunning. I can't say enough on this. They did bleach the knots. The knots are finely tied, so like, this is not glued down, y'all. Okay, this is not glued down. Look at that blend. Like, that is really beautiful. And I really do like these 7x5 units for the simple fact that because it's so wide, it mimics a full frontal, but it's not giving full frontal. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's just, the hair is stunning, y'all. The hair is stunning, and I really do love how they did the bangs and the layering and all of that. This also came pre-curled, so it didn't have a lot of things for me to do with it, and like, it was just really easy. Just throw it on and go, girl. Like, that's the point. Throw it on and go. Now I done sprayed this down, right? And I had this styled how it was supposed to be styled, but baby, I can't stop touching it, and it's so lightweight. Like, it just, so much energy, so much body, so much shine. Really beautiful unit. Listen, make sure you check out UNice. Everything will be down in the description box. So let's get right on into the styling of the video.
wearing rich auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. I work too hard on my luxury. We come so far, luxury. Cover these scars and diamonds, luxury. Every day I'm alive, it's giving lux, yeah. I work too hard, no mind. We come so far, cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving lux, yeah. La 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 la, lux, la la la.
So that is basically it for this tutorial for this unit. Really easy. I did not have to do much, and I love how it frames the face. Like, it is so pretty and it's full, it's shiny, it's airy, it's lightweight, it's silky smooth. It's giving high quality at a very affordable price. I really do like this. This is Farrah Fawcett down, honey. Okay, can we bring back the Farrah Fawcett looks? Let me tell you something. There is something about the 90s, 80s and 90s women. Like, you ever go back and look at their pictures, like, they were so feminine, so pretty. This is giving that. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is just giving soft girl era. Okay, like all these bust down, like, this is the type of bust down that we need for 2025. We need it to be airy, we need it to be flowy, we need it to be, you see what I'm saying? You should be able to look like this, and you not supposed to clock if I got on a wig or not. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is giving that type of energy. I really love this. Don't get me wrong, I still love me a good lace unit, a good bust down, okay? But sometimes you just need to step into that soft era. This is giving that. This is giving that. Really do love this. This is 10 out of 10. I absolutely recommend anything from UNice. I really do love their hair because I've worked with them so many times, and they really do have high quality hair for an affordable price. So make sure you check them out. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. Okay, so shout out to them for sponsoring this video. If it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Can't stop looking at myself. I need to stop. I really do like this unit. It's just girly. It's girly and pretty. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, everything is under my name. Like the video if you loved it, share the video because sharing is caring. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. And until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really soon.